In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to open Barclays bank account online in UK. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to compare all of the accounts that Barclays offers and how you can go over through the sign up form and registration process. So for you to open a Barclays account, online in the UK, all that you have to do is visit the website or go over to the mobile app, whatever you prefer. For this video, I'm going to start the process on the website, but keep in mind that at one point you will most likely be redirected into the application. So open a web browser, go to barclays.co.uk, and when you arrive at this page, first I recommend that you go over and compare the current accounts that they have. So you can click on digital banking or bank accounts and then compare the accounts that they offer. As you can see, they have three types under everyday current accounts. They have Barclays Bank Plus Blue, and then Premier Current Account. Each of these will have their own monthly fee, eligibility, and spending and other limits. So you have to be aware of all of this. You can easily compare using this table here, and once you find one that satisfies your needs, you will be able to click on Explore. This will redirect you one more time to another page where you can see all of the details about this specific account, and once you are satisfied with the details and you want to open this specific account, you just have to click on Apply at the top. Immediately upon clicking apply, you will see the main ways to apply. So the first one that they have, apply for a sole Barclays bank account, sadly must be done through the app. You can choose this option here at the bottom if you don't have a UK mobile number, and then they give you the option to apply for a joint Barclays bank account online. So I'm going to try to proceed with the sole Barclays bank account and apply online. They recommend the application, and like I said, eventually you will need to download it. And as you can see, you can only apply for an account between the following UK hours, Monday to Saturday, and then Sunday on these hours listed here. And you can also call them on this number if you need additional help. And this is all you have to do. Just follow with the form and you will be able to get your account opened on Barclays. I hope I was able to help you on how to open Barclays account online in UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.